Hey, so I did a video yesterday. I was listening to Rakin Prophet's video on, I think it was from his April 2nd. I posted it on my Instagram. And he was talking about like the best times to go to thrift stores, which I was agreeing, like he said, the best time somebody said was, when they're closed because you're not going to get in, which I do agree with that. But the one thing he was saying, the best time is to go on a book sale day. I don't fully agree with that. If there's gonna be a sale, I want to go the day before everybody's showing up. Like, yeah, I'd rather pay full price, because if you for my books anyways, I can't really get a better deal than, like I think the most I spend usually, unless if I go to Goodwill, would be like $3.49. Like half of that, $1.75, I think is what that comes out to. That's really not that big of a difference. If I can't get the book in the first place, there's no point in just getting like $1.75 profit then, if that's what it came out to. So what do you guys think? Do you think, going to a thrift store on a sale or the day before? And just a little thing, I gotta actually buckle my seatbelt right now for some books. I got a couple more back. I got some actual books in the back. Go ship these out and go get some food. Have a great day.